Hi guys, this is Ruchi and welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin the recipe for black coffee and dry ginger coffee. I'm going to start with making my favorite, that is the black coffee, for which I'm going to boil 2.5 cups of water. Turn on the flame, let the water come to a boil, and while that is happening, let me tell you what I have here. This is basically called a percolator. It's got 2 compartments. The second part, it's got this press as well as it's got a sieve at the bottom. Let's place the second part over the first one, and into this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coffee. Here I'm using a South Indian coffee. Don't use instant coffee for this recipe. I have a ground roast here, and now I'm going to put this press. Make sure you press the coffee down nicely. The water has come to a boil. Let's turn off the flame. Pour this water over the coffee. Fill it up till the level of the handle. Cover it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Let the water percolate through the coffee to get the best flavor. Having a cup of black coffee in the morning not only wakes you up, but also aids your metabolism and has a good amount of antioxidants. 10 minutes are up. Let's check on the percolator. Open it. As you can see, all the water has passed through the coffee. Let's separate both the compartments. Fill 1/3 of your cup with the coffee concoction, and now fill hot water in the remaining cup. Give this a stir, and a nice strong awakening cup of black coffee is ready. I don't like to add sugar in my black coffee, but if you like to add some, just add it at this point. The second one is a herbal dry ginger coffee. This is a very good home remedy which helps in curing throat infection and any kind of cold and cough. In a pan, take 2.5 cups of water and bring it to a boil. 2 small pieces of whole dry ginger over here. I'm going to put it in this mortar. Also add in about 5 to 6 peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let's pound all these ingredients together. This need not be a fine powder, you can just coarsely pound it. Add this powder in the boiling water. Add in a few tulsi leaves, 1/2 teaspoon of coffee powder. Also, add in jaggery to taste. You can even add palm sugar if you wish to. Let this simmer on low heat for at least a good 5 minutes. Dry ginger coffee or Chukku Kaapi is a very popular home remedy from south of India, and over there they use palm sugar instead of jaggery. This is boiling since the last 5 minutes. Let's turn off the flame, and now I'm going to strain this coffee. Both these coffees look, taste and smell completely different. So do try this at home and comment below. Especially let me know how you like your coffee. Try this at home, subscribe to Rajshri Food, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.